I'm Guillermo García and I am a PhD student at IBM at Brugge Universitet. Well, I think it's really important to, first of all, understand the benefits and risk reduction benefits and co-benefits of nature-based solutions. Also to identify the possible financing strategies if we want to upscale nature-based solutions in the future. I'll be working in work package 4, which involves stock taking what do we already know about assessing the effectiveness of nature-based solutions and suggesting improved methods and tools for assessing and implementing nature-based solutions in an efficient manner.